Hi, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sitting in the new Mercedes S-Class and it's the long wheelbase version. It's lovely. Next to me is a Tesla Model S100D. And we're going to have a drag race. It's like luxury internal combustion engine car against sort of luxury, no, maybe not. Electric car. Anyway, let me tell you about this car. So it's the S500, which means it's got a 3-litre straight 6 turbocharged petrol engine, 435 horsepower and 520 newton meters of torque. It's got all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic gearbox. Weighs in at 2.1 tonnes and costs around £110,000 for this particular one. That Tesla's got dual electric motors, one at the front, one at the back, so it's also 4-wheel drive. It's got a single-speed gearbox. It's got 600 horsepower though, so quite a bit more than this. Weighs in at 2.3 tonnes. As for the price, when that was new, because you obviously can't get it anymore, it was £82,000. Right, what's going to happen in this drag race? Well, before we find out, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, right? If you haven't done so already, what's the matter with you? You've probably watched lots of videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way, you won't miss any of these drag races. Also, why not follow us on Instagram? Carwow. That's it. Last thing to say. The guy who's brought that car along, it's Richard Simons from RSEV. There's a link to his channel in the description below. And one last thing for me to say, if you're thinking about selling your car and you want to get a great price for it and don't want to be bothered with the hassle of having people come around and stuff like that, just go to Carwow. We'll help you sell your car. You can sell it through us. It's dead easy. Just put in the details of the car and you get offers back from dealers and what they'll pay for it, and they'll give you the cash and just take it away. It's completely free to use. In fact, if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can just try it out on your own car. Find out how much your car's actually worth. It might be worth more or less than you thought it was. Do it. Just try it. It's free. Let's race.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
3, 2,
Come on, I'm burning through my blooming torque converter.
1.
No. Oh, I'm just getting absolutely bloody destroyed. Oh my goodness. That was horrible. Richard, do you think that electric power is better for drag racing than the internal combustion engine? What is your answer?
Absolutely, Matt. It's why I like electric cars. More power, faster, easier.
Here's another question for you. Are electric cars more fun to drive, though, than petrol-powered cars?
I think they're getting quite close, yes, and certainly on the road. Slightly different on the track, but on the road, I think that instant power, I'd say so. It's why I like them. I'm a petrol head.
You're a petrol head who sells electric cars. Okay, right, not partisan. Anyhow, I got beaten. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla won, completing the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds, while the Mercedes took 13.6 seconds. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour, and I'm going to start in second gear, manual shift. You have no gears to shift. I need to get this in the right hand. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Oh, just freaking destroyed. Yeah, bollocks. You just got bored then, didn't you, and just started braking early, because it's like, well, this is a foregone conclusion.
I couldn't even see you in the mirror, Matt, so yeah. It wasn't even a race.
Bugger. Seeing as the Tesla was so far ahead, what we're going to do now is race from Autobahn speed, so 80 miles an hour, okay? Then I'm going to floor it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't make no odds. Really doesn't. I'm holding him though. Mate, you need to brake. Oh dear, there's the end of the runway. Oh, nice, nice. It's close. Okay, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. Which car can stop in the shortest distance? Maybe this and pull one back. When we reach the cone, it's full emergency stoppage time. Here we go. Here's the cone. Come on, S-Class. Oh, yeah, baby! I beat you at that. Yes. Beat ya.
I had to give you something. Yeah, the ABS was kicking in. There was just a little bit of sort of slip on the ABS, but you were consistently just braking harder.
Yeah, this is really smooth in the way it like stopped. It accelerates smoothly. It accelerates when you're cruising smoothly. It brakes smooth. It does everything smoothly. It's so comfy. It's lovely to be in. And you know, when it comes to preventing an accident, this stopped in a shorter distance. This is the point he talks about all the safety tech on the Tesla. Or perhaps not. Anyway, hope you'll enjoy the video. I did. Now, if you're thinking about buying an electric car, click on the pop-out banner up there to check out the Carwow Electric Car Hub page, where you can look at all the different models, different offers on them, different deals. Make sure you're paying a fair price on your electric car. Also, you can compare different models as well to make sure you're choosing the right car for you. If you have any doubts and you want to do it at a later date, just simply Google "Help Me Carwow." My team and I will help you choose the right car for you and get it for a fair price from one of our trusted dealers. Hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know some other videos you'd like to see in the comments below. Click on those windows there for more videos, and click on that box there to go to the Carwow Drag Race leaderboard to see how these cars' times compare to all the others we drag raced in the past. Thanks for watching.